First time setup. Remove the Blephasteam and base from the carry case. Remove the soft rubber plug using the screwdriver supplied. Remove the cover, install the batteries. Pay attention to the direction of insertion of the batteries. Once the batteries are installed, replace the cover, tighten the screw and replace the rubber plug. Plug the base station into the main power supply and put the mask on the base. The Blephasteam will need to be charged before initial use. You must plan 2 hours for the batteries to charge. Charging is complete when the green battery light turns off.